In 2005, Salvatore Spina, a Queensland lawyer, was dating Carol Cattell. She said she feared her previous partner, who had been violent, and she wanted to seek a protection order but could not afford the cost. It's almost never a good idea for a practitioner to act for family and friends. It can be challenging to focus on the paramount duty to the court when the practitioner has emotional ties to their client. However, he genuinely felt she was in danger, and he agreed to help. He drafted a statutory declaration for a friend of Ms. Cattell's. The friend was a policeman posted overseas as part of Australia's mission to assist the Solomon Islands. However, Spina saw emails written by the friend and drafted the statutory declaration from those. Ms. Cattell later provided him with the statutory declaration bearing the friend's signature. She said he had briefly been back in Australia and had signed the declaration. Unwisely, Spina signed the statutory declaration as witness, even though he had not seen the friend sign and had no idea who had actually signed. Almost straight afterwards, he realised this had been a dumb thing to do. He retracted the declaration and did not allow it to be placed before a court. A few months later, he and Ms. Cattell split up. She continued her actions against her ex, but now started forging the signatures of both the ex-partner and Mr. Spina. She was charged with forgery and perverting the course of justice. Mr. Spina gave evidence, including the self-incriminating evidence that he had falsely witnessed the statutory declaration. She immediately reported him to the Law Society. There can be no doubt that Mr. Spina's conduct amounted to professional misconduct. It represented a serious breach of the ethical standards required of legal practitioners. However, it was not done for personal gain or with an improper motive. At the time, he feared that Cattell and her children were in danger, and the document was never used. Mr. Spina promptly repented of his actions. He took steps to ensure that neither magistrate's court was misled, knowingly exposing himself to the events which have happened. He recognised the impropriety of what he did. These are powerful mitigating factors. Ultimately, there was a finding of professional misconduct, but because of the surrounding circumstances, no punishment was imposed.